Have you heard of a residence order? So this term is still searched for quite a lot, but it did in fact change. In April 2014, this was changed to what is now known as a child arrangement order. Essentially what this new system did was it combined what was previously a separate residence and contact order into a single, more comprehensive agreement. So what this agreement does is it specifies where the children will live, it'll specify where they will spend time, or when they will spend time with each parent, how decisions are made about their welfare, their schooling, and any specific conditions or restrictions that need to be considered. What we've done is put this blog together where we can explain this in more detail. We give you some examples, we answer some commonly asked questions. We're going to look at how child arrangements orders can be enforced. We're going to discuss how parents can agree arrangements through mediation, and if that's not possible, where the family court can step in and decide for you and what that process will look like and what it entails. We take a closer look at different types of child living arrangements. So we have lives with orders, specific issues orders, residence orders, and we're going to have a look at parental responsibility as well. So if you're separating and you need help with your child arrangements, we're here to help. Have a look through this blog. Please, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our business support team. We offer a free 15-minute call and we're happy to answer your questions around your child arrangements or anything else pertaining to your divorce or separation. We hope this is helpful.